My shoulder was fully encapsulated, frozen shoulder. It got to the point where I couldn't get my arm up over my head. I couldn't reach up for a coffee cup. You know, just regular life things became, if not impossible, very, very painful. And I wanted to make sure I had the best shoulder doctor.
The plan was to do an arthroscopic rotator cuff repair. And the interesting thing we found when we got in is that while she did have a partial rotator cuff tear, it was small, or relatively small, but she had a huge amount of stiffness and adhesions in her shoulder. And so what we instead did is release those adhesions and got her motion back quickly in the operating room.
I had surgery on a Friday afternoon. I was here bright and early Monday morning.
We worked with Dr. John to get her in here quickly right after her surgery, and she was able to come in for her therapy, work on her recovering her range of motion, her strength.
The way we became acquainted with sports performance actually started 3 years ago. I have a teenage son who was having a lot of knee pain and was referred for physical therapy. A year later, my husband had knee replacement, and because my son's experience here had been so good, he chose to come here for his physical therapy. So when I hurt my shoulder, it just was a no-brainer that I was coming back. You know, why go anywhere else?
She did her exercises at home, built her strength, and got back to doing her work tasks and everything that she wanted to do.
We work hand in hand with a physical therapist every day, and the nice thing with Carilion is because we have such a great team of dedicated physical therapists. In this case, no sports injuries and shoulder injuries, that they know how to treat them.
My goal through the whole time was I just wanted to get my life back. I wanted to be able to, you know, grab a coffee cup or clean my house or plant some flowers without that constant pain. I definitely have that back, and I'm so thankful and grateful that I do.